Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable mobile hotspot on HUAWEI MateBook D16. So the mobile hotspot will share the network from your Wi-Fi. So if you are connected either to Wi-Fi or to Ethernet connection, but there's no Ethernet port, so you'll need to have an external adapter for that. But if you are connected wirelessly or via a wire to the network, then you can use your laptop as a repeater, as an access point, so you can connect other devices to the same network, because this laptop doesn't have a SIM card slot, so the mobile hotspot will just repeat the network it's connected to. So let's go to the settings and let me show you how to do it. So in the settings, you can just go to the network and internet, then find mobile hotspot, click on that. You can easily enable it. Also, you can choose what to share your internet connection from and how to share it. So either over Wi-Fi or over Bluetooth, most probably over Wi-Fi. And from Wi-Fi, if I was connected via a wire, then I could also share it from the wire connection, or if I had a USB modem plugged in, then I could also share the mobile hotspot from that. So now I'm gonna enable the mobile hotspot. Also, before enabling it, you can also edit the properties like the name or the password, but I think I can also do that while it's enabled. Yes, so I'm just gonna change the password to something simple. It has to have at least 8 characters. I think it is 8 characters now. So I'm gonna click on save, and I'm gonna go to the settings on my phone, to the Wi-Fi settings, and in the Wi-Fi settings I should be able to see my laptop. So let's wait until it shows here. Maybe I'll disable and enable the Wi-Fi. It'll find it faster. Okay, and I can see it here. So now let's enter the password. Then click on join. Okay, it was unable to join. Let's try to see why. I'll try again. And now I think, yes, it is connected. And as you can see here, it shows me it in the connected devices. So it says 1 of 5 connected devices, shows me the device name, the IP address, and the MAC address. So this is how it looks. You can also enable power saving, so if no devices are connected, it will automatically turn off mobile hotspot, or you can disable that option so it will have the mobile hotspot turned on until you turn it off yourself. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.